Heydar Aliyev
Heydar Aliyev. Museum. So it's basically a museum. In fact, the museum is only part of Heydar Aliyev Center because it also houses concert halls and exhibition halls. We're just kind of go there, buy ticket. We didn't book anything in advance. Advance purchase of tickets is available in these websites if you wanted to avoid long queues during busy periods. So I'm not sure how much would it cost and what are we gonna see. So surprise! I'm excited. How are you?
Very excited.
So see you later. Heydar Aliyev Center is one of the most recognized architectural landmarks worldwide. Due to its innovative and distinctive architecture and flowing curve style. And this architectural style is called Neo-Futurism, which you can see from the design inside and out. The construction started 2007 and completed in 2012. Located in the city center of Baku, Azerbaijan. We're going now to a taxi. To get there from our hotel, which is located in the old town, we decided to go by a taxi to save more time. Let's go! Travel time from Old Town to Heydar Aliyev Museum is 15 minutes drive. Let's go and check out what we can see in this place. Admission fee for adults in local currency is 15 manat or 9 USD. The museum has exhibition halls featuring the country's history, culture, treasures, and the third president of Azerbaijan, Heydar Aliyev, which the center was named after. Heydar Aliyev served the country as a president from 1993 to 2003. They also exhibits modern and contemporary arts from different artists around the world. And rated by the travelers and TripAdvisor as the #1 attraction in Baku. Go to the side, you can see more of the letters. So you really shouldn't miss this iconic building designed by the famous British Iraqi architect Zaha Hadid. After going around for a bit, we can have some coffee. It's a very nice cafe inside. Oh my god, can you say that again? Heydar Aliyev. And they also serve cakes and some alcoholic drinks if you want to chill. Yes, thank you. You're gonna sleep, you're not gonna sit. It's a chair, not a bed.
This is more comfortable than sitting.
Don't worry if you don't have much time to visit the museum inside. You can walk around outside and enjoy the picturesque view of Heydar Aliyev Center. Hi guys, we just arrived here at the airport. The city of Baku surprises me on the first day, and I can't wait to show you more about this country. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to be notified on my next upload. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video for more travel tips and guides in Baku, Azerbaijan. Bye!